the day after the 30th birthday, it's raining. Siamo in questo bellissimo hut balinese style, circondati dalla foresta, ma dalla pioggia anche. C'è una di tè. Ok, ovviamente la Vale ha voluto comprare dei Thai snacks. Questo è uno. Che schifo. Vai Vale.
Chi è che l'ha già assaggiato?
Può levarte.
And how do you guys like this one?
It's good. You didn't try that.
No, but I
No.
Okay, it's
Don't smell it, just taste it.
squid seafood snack.
Nam Kring Thai original. There's fire on it. Is it very spicy, Paul?
No,
Let's see how it looks like.
it smells like cat food.
It looks like this. It's like sheets of stuff.
All big Chang open.
It's sticky.
All big Chang. Guys,
It's spicy. It's not. She's not the best.
Aspetta, there is a review going on. There's a review in process. Progress.
Tastes like fish.
Me ne dai un pezzo?
It's weird.
Of course.
it's good. I want more.
Ma c'è una consistenza.
Try it out.
I want to try the seaweed. Some Lay's.
Pretty sure you like it.
But it says 20. Did we pay 20?
No, it's absolutely nothing written in English on this package.
That's a good sign.
But it's from Lao.
Okay, so
Apriamo.
you have inside squid, with flour, lime, tapioca starch.
Paul, there's another tasting in progress.
No, not too bad.
Seaweed crisps.
They are whiter than what they appear on the package.
So they're false
First
advertising.
See, look at that. I'm gonna show you the comparison.
Show who?
Hi guys. See, not. I'm gonna go for it.
Prawn crackers.
Yeah, they're nice. I like the special actually. They're not prawn crackers. Prawn crackers are nicer.
Prawn crackers?
But kind of.
Buono.
Spicy.
No,
No, that's spicy.
average.
I mean, they're not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, we're back with another snack. Also, no English in the front. We just assume that there's an arrow pointing at sushi. So we think this is sushi flavor.
It's a bit generic as a flavor, but
Let's see if we find something with some English. Facebook.com/Sunbite Thailand. Also lots of stuff. Allora, ora io non so cosa intendano loro per sushi flavor.
secondo me è ancora di seaweed.
Ma no, sushi flavor, scusa, cioè c'è il seaweed con cosa dentro. Well, that's not a lot of quantities inside.
It's a lot of air.
Doesn't smell much. Let's see the
How
color.
is it compared to the picture in the front? Well, quite realistic.
Yeah, also sidewise. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Tastes like sushi, guys. This is ridiculous. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sushi delicious.
It's so weird. Oh my god, we should totally bring this to you. Doesn't it taste like sushi, Bart?
It's like seaweed. It's sushi.
Viewers, don't listen.
Can't taste anything now.
This is a
You know,
sponsored
they just
post.
squid.
Obviously, we have to say this like sushi.
Let's have sushi.
Thanks.
So it's really good. So definitely you should go out and buy it. It's like
Will our followers like this then? Do we have followers?
Yeah, of course. Our families.
anything else to say on camera, guys? Big Chang.
Big Chang.
What's wrong?
Thai massage. You come back, okay?